Hello, Softex Tags. So it's me, your girl again, and I am bringing you lots of joy and innovation this season. We are going to be looking at Microsoft Foundry AI, where we have a plethora of models, lots and lots of LLMs, and we are going to be utilizing one for our applications today. I mean, it's the season of love, right? It's the holidays. You're probably thinking, what do I get her? What do I get him? What do I get my mom? What do I get my dad? What do I get my nan? Well, this application will enable you to select a personalized gift for your family in the season, and hopefully you can put a smile on your loved one's face. Well, let's head on to our application and I'll show you how to get the perfect gift for your loved one this Christmas using our AI agents.
Still in the season of joy and innovation, we are going to be looking at how you can select a model from the Azure AI Foundry. So what we have here is the different models that Azure AI Foundry has, and as you can see, we have different variety of models that can do a lot of things for your AI application. So we're talking about AI models ranging from chart completion. So we have the Meta Llama model, we have Cohere, we have so many. Like, just going through them, I'm like, wow, this is a lot of models. So if we have a look at the total models that Azure AI Foundry they have a total of 8,811 models. So we are going to be utilizing GPT-4 Mini for our application. Let's head over to our code. So what we have here is a Streamlit application that we'll be using to build our Christmas personalized gift ideas. What I've done so far is, of course, import all my library, import an OpenAI, import OS as well. Then I've also defined a function which stores all of the CSS files that was used in styling the application. So we are just going to be looking at how I styled the sidebar, the text colors for the sidebar, the inputs and the button styling as well. And we also have the headings, the footer styling, and also what we have is the .env environment, where it's just good practice to actually store our API key in a .env file, and we just load it into our main.py file. Then I also thought to make a very cute footer message from Software Group, of course, and here we have our main file function, which literally we are adding our custom CSS function, and we have our title, and we have all of our assets attached to our main file as well. And then we also have where we utilize the model GPT-4, and of course we set the max tokens and the temperature as well, and we also added our footer function. Now let's head over to our application. So what we have here is our application that we utilize Streamlit framework. We also utilize the GPT-4 model, and what we want to do is we want to recommend gifts for our loved ones this season. So what we have here is recommending a top 5 Christmas gifts for my mom or your mom. And so as you can see, it does give us a list, and it gave personalized jewelry, spa gift set, custom family portrait, cooking or baking equipment, or a personalized photo book. So I just wanted to add as well, if you do not feel satisfied with this response, you can also give it a more unique prompt and also find a way to generate allow the model generate more ideas for your for the loved one you want to gift the season. And then we're also going to try the dad, and we are going to be requesting for top 5 Christmas gifts for my dad as well. And it is suggested golf accessories. So if your dad loves to play golf, I mean, this would be a really, really great Christmas gift for him this season. So we want to sort of like switch things a bit. We want it to recommend a new year, because it's not just the Christmas, we also have the New Year holidays as well. So we wanted to recommend a New Year present for my grandmother. And let's see, so now we didn't tell it to give us a top 5, we just wanted it to recommend as many gifts for my grandmother. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to also increase the max token so it could give us more words as well. So we're going to ask it to generate ideas, and let's see what it gives us. So if we scroll down, we can see that it's personalized photo album, a comfortable blanket, and a customized jewelry, a digital photo frame, audiobook subscription. So if your grandmother loves to listen to audiobooks, this will be a really great gift for her. Personalized calendar, heating pad, gardening tooth. So it gave us 10 suggested 10 gift ideas, and like I mentioned, we can always iterate the prompts and to generate more ideas. So now we can select a perfect gift for our grandmom. Well, our granddad is not left out, so we are going to be trying to see how we can get that gift for our grandfather as well. So we are going to ask it to generate ideas for us, and we are going to see what's going to say. And bear in mind, you can always iterate your prompt statement. So we it suggested personalized calendar, custom-made puzzles. So if your granddad, and it's giving us a bit of more context, right? So what your granddad enjoys to do, what your granddad loves to do. So if your granddad likes to dress up, consider gifting him a pair of elegant cufflinks. So which I think is amazing though. So also to suggest a comfortable slippers. So a pair of warm, comfortable slippers can be a great gift, especially during the colder months of the year. Heated blanket as well, a digital photo book, so a luxury shaving kit, a high quality kit that can be luxurious, and a practical gift. Also, a personalized coffee mug. So if your granddad loves to drink coffee in the morning, you can customize it for a funny or sweet message, and it can make his morning coffee more enjoyable. I think that's just amazing. Indoor gardening as well. So if your granddad loves to do a lot of gardening, this would be really, really great gift for him this season. So now I want to recommend a New Year, or rather than a New Year gift, let's change the prompt, right? I want to recommend something else, and this time I want to recommend a Christmas gift for my sister, actually not my sister now, for my cute niece, who is 5 years old. So I want to see what our AI would recommend for my niece who is 5 years old. And wow, look at that. A Disney Frozen Elsa doll could be the perfect gift for your niece if she enjoys playing with dolls, which she does. And is a fan of Frozen as well. It's also age appropriate and encourages imaginative play. Plus, Frozen is very popular among the kids within our age group. So we also want to recommend a Christmas present for my sister this time, who just graduated. So let's see what they suggest. A lot of people are graduating this Christmas season, so it would be a perfect time to utilize a tool like this to get them the perfect gift. So it suggested personalized jewelries, a spa gift, inspirational books, personalized stationery, a graduation keepsake. You can consider a special keepsake to a high quality planner as well. This will help them to organize their postgraduate life. You can find options for different features like goal setting, reflection settings, and more. And also too, so we also have laptop or tablet. Ooh. If she does not already have one, a new laptop and tablet could be very helpful as well for this season. And also, we also have suggestions such as gift cards. So if you're unsure of what exactly to give her, you need to give her, you can gift her gift cards to our favorite stores, restaurants, and so much more. So it's just amazing how this tool works. Like, we don't need to think too much these days on what you want to give to your loved one. And as you can see, all I needed to put in my AI prompt was the event that was that my sister was having. It was a Christmas season, but at the same time she was graduating, and this tool will help generate the best gift ideas for the season. So the next one we want to do is that I want the tool to recommend a present for my brother and his wife who is celebrating their anniversary on Christmas Day. I think that's just amazing. It's kind of like a double celebration for you to actually celebrate your Christmas, your anniversary on Christmas Day. So let's see what the tool recommended. So the first recommendation was personalized anniversary ornaments, a couples cooking class, of course, if they're couples that love to cook together. I think it will be really, really fun. A custom star map. So a framed star map that might sky on the wedding day is a unique romantic gift. Of the night sky on the wedding day is a unique romantic gift. That's good. A luxury bathrobe set, wine subscriptions. If the couples that love to have fine wine, you can give them a wine subscription as a gift. Also, a weekend getaway. Who doesn't love a nice weekend getaway as a couple? I think it's a really, really great gift idea or suggestion. You can give them a weekend getaway or somewhere they've always wanted to go to. So personalized couple portraits. You could also give them an anniversary journal or a custom name blanket, customized to their names, a fancy dinner set. And you could also give them personalized puzzle, and there's more. You could give them a smart home device, if they're into tech, consider a smart home device like a Google Nest. And also too, so these are just, a really, really great way that we can utilize AI in our, during this Christmas season, and how we can put smiles, not just, how we can put not just smiles, but how we can put joy and laughter to our loved ones this season. And so now our boss is not left out. What Christmas gifts can I give my boss? Well, for a boss who already has it all, you can give them a business card holder. You can give them a coffee tea subscription if they love coffee. You can give them a government gift basket, a bottle of fine wine or whiskey, a classic Dex calendar. You could also, a best-selling business book would also do, a high-quality leather portfolio, a noise-cancelling headphones, a gift cards, but also remember to consider your boss' personal taste and preferences when choosing a gift. So this is also a tool that you can use to give gifts to not just family now. You can also extend that to your workplace. So we also want to recommend gifts to our friends. We've had friends who have stick together with us, for over a decade. We want to be able to find, those really, really quality gifts that we can give them this Christmas. So we have a personalized jewelry, we have a custom photo book, we have a special edition book album. So basically, you could just gather all the favorite memories of all your friends and give them a custom photo book. A luxury bath products if your friend is like me that loves bath bombs, that loves body scrubs and essential oils. You can definitely give them one of those this season and they'll be so happy you did. And we also have wine subscription. We have cooking classes. So if your friend loves to cook, you can actually get a cooking class for them this season. High quality earbuds, fitness tracker, spa vouchers, sports equipment as well. So this is how we can select the perfect gift this Christmas for our friends, family, loved ones, colleagues, and a whole lots of other people that are so dear to us this Christmas season. And I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and I wish you from Softech Group, we're wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy the holidays.